Fort Santiago, one of the oldest fortifications in Manila, Philippines, built in 1571 on the site of the native settlement of Raja Soliman in the bank of Pasig River. First Fort Santiago was destroyed in 1574, attacked by Limahong. This stone fort built between 1589 to 92. But in 1645, Santiago Fort was damaged by earthquake. From 1658 to 1663, it was repaired and strengthened. Inside the fort, you can visit Fort Santiago proper, Plaza de Armas, Rizal Shrine, Raja Soliman Theatre, little but enriched museum, etc.